In 2012, YLI's Betting on Our Future youth-led team began working on addressing economic injustice in the community. While focusing on gambling messages in San Mateo County, we took a trip to a casino and discovered a payday lending machine inside. We realized that payday lending establishments were designed to prey upon low-income communities, and our efforts shifted to limiting and preventing debt traps.
Certainly in the case of our Hispanic community, our immigrant community, people are working for lower wages. They may have more than one job and potentially not enough to live in Half Moon Bay. So they may find themselves in a situation where they're taking out multiple loans, to pay through the chain. That's problematic.
The whole point is for you to come in, request a loan at a fee of $45. They tell you in 2 weeks you have to come back and pay it all in full amount. So the person comes back after their 2 weeks and says I don't have the full amount. Is there an opportunity to renew the loan for another $45? The youth really like to say they're not making sure you can pay, they're really trying to make sure that you can stay in this debt cycle.
In 2013, with funding from Silicon Valley Community Foundation, YLI's BOOF became paid, Peninsula Advocates Investigating Debt Traps, and partnered with MyPath to educate youth on the harms of payday lending practices.
We take them through a process of working toward developing public speaking skills, leadership skills, research skills specifically, to be able to work in partnership with decision makers to create community change.
In 2014, paid youth leaders research community perspectives and tally the economic impact of payday lenders. Their findings directly led to a Daly City local ordinance that effectively prevents any new payday lenders from opening in East Daly City, a low-income community where all 5 payday lenders exist. The next year, youth developed a public awareness campaign, presented about the connection between problem gambling and payday lending at a national conference, and passed 2 formal resolutions in support of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau in San Mateo County. In 2016, our campaign along the coast in Half Moon Bay and Pacifica became bilingual, and we made progress recruiting more youth leaders who expanded our campaigns and determined the urgency to decrease predatory financial services by developing more youth-friendly financial products.
So it's really important for it to be youth-led. They're gonna grow up here and they wanna grow up in an economically secure community. And if a payday lender were to ever come here, they would have to bear the consequences.
We haven't heard from young people for some time, and so that's new and fresh and powerful.
So far, in 2017, we have been recognized as a model for national efforts to address predatory financial practices directed at low-income communities of color. For all this and more, we are asking for support. Join our efforts. Help fund the youth-led movement to empower our communities to take charge of their financial destiny and remove the predatory structures that work to hold them down. Together, we will create change and lead the path to a bright future for the people of San Mateo County.